Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your OS and freeing about 1 GB of space so the app can cache files. This avoids installation errors. Once done, sign into the Google account you want to mount and make sure two-step verification is ready if you use it. Now download the Google Drive for Desktop Installer and run it. Accept permissions when prompted. The installer sets up a background service that maps Drive to your file system, which is why these steps matter before continuing. You'll choose how Drive appears. Pick Stream files to save disk space or Mirror files if you want local copies. That decision affects performance. Once chosen, sign in and select which My Drive folders to make available, and set a drive letter on Windows or a mount point on Mac OS so it's easy to find. Make sure to tune bandwidth and proxy settings if you're on a limited connection, and enable startup with OS so Drive reconnects automatically when you boot. You finish by opening File Explorer or Finder and locating the Google Drive mount. Look for the assigned drive letter or the Google Drive entry. Once found, create, edit, and delete a small test file to confirm two-way sync. Watch the app's status icons and recent activity to see progress. If something fails, restart the Drive app and sign out, then back in. If that does not fix it, check firewall or corporate proxy settings, then reinstall the latest Drive for Desktop as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.